Data is more than numbers. It's insight, direction, and power. In adult education, leveraging data and learning analytics helps us teach smarter, support better, and measure what matters. Learning analytics is the practice of collecting, analyzing, and using data about learners to improve learning experiences and outcomes. It turns patterns into action. So, what kind of data are we talking about? Completion rates, quiz scores, time spent on modules, discussion participation, survey responses, and more. But it's not just about tracking activity. It's about understanding behavior. What are learners struggling with? Where are they thriving? What's causing drop-off? With the right tools, educators can spot at-risk learners early, personalize content and pacing, improve engagement and retention, continuously refine course design. For example, if analytics show most learners drop off after Module 3, you can dig in. Was it too long, too complex, or unclear? Then improve it. Or if a quiz shows repeated failure on a concept, it's a cue to reteach or offer more practice. Learning analytics also empowers learners. Dashboards and progress trackers help adults see where they stand, what they've accomplished, and where to focus next. So, how do you leverage learning analytics well? First, define your metrics. What do you want to know? Set goals tied to behavior, not just grades. Second, use the tools in your LMS or learning platform. Most systems offer built-in dashboards, reports, and exportable data. Third, look for trends, not just individual cases. Patterns tell the story. Fourth, take action. Data without action is wasted. Use what you learn to adapt, refine, and personalize. Fifth, protect privacy. Use data ethically. Be transparent about what's collected and how it's used. Trust is essential. Finally, build a culture of curiosity. Data isn't about judgment, it's about discovery. The goal isn't perfection, it's progress. Leveraging data doesn't mean turning learners into statistics. It means using insight to build better learning. Because when we listen to what the data is telling us, we don't just improve outcomes. We empower them.